Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone to DJI Osmo Pocket 4 via DJI MIMO. So if you want to connect your gimbal to your phone to have to transfer your files or just have easier controls of the gimbal, I'm going to show you how to do it. So first off, we need the DJI Osmo app. You can find it in the App Store or Google Play. It's pretty much the same process. So just go to your App Store or Google Play and look up DJI MIMO. This is the app. There you have it. So just make sure to download the app, open it up, log into your account or create a new one. And once you've done that, make sure to turn on your gimbal and then click on the icon on the middle bottom to connect to your device. So if the gimbal's on, it's going to show you if you want to connect to it. So just click connect, and then it's going to ask you to connect to its Wi-Fi network. So you hit connect, and it's going to ask you if you want to connect to this network. Make sure you hit join so you can actually connect to it. And after it's done, you're going to have access to the device. So we can click the camera icon on the middle. And here, as you can see, both of them are connected. It's showing the same thing on the phone as the gimbal. And if we click on the icon on the bottom left, we can see all of the videos that are saved on our gimbal. And that is pretty much how you connect it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you. And make sure to like and subscribe.